Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with essential prep. Power off the headset and lay it on a clean surface to avoid dust. Use a plastic pry tool and your fingers. Start at the seam on one ear cup and gently lift the pad's outer lip. You're detaching the old pad rather than forcing it off because the cushion clips into a thin bezel. Once you have an edge freed, work slowly around the circle so clips release evenly without tearing the foam or stretching the fabric. Now remove the old pad entirely and inspect the foam and mounting groove so you understand what you're replacing. Clean any adhesive or lint with an isopropyl wipe and a soft brush. This promotes a snug fit and prevents noise leaks. Next, orient the new pad so the inner seam matches the ear cup shape. Start at one point and tuck the lip into the groove, applying consistent pressure. Doing this slowly prevents uneven seating and ensures the pad will sit flush around the entire circumference. Finish by pressing the new pad evenly into the groove, then run your finger around the full circle to lock every clip. Once seated, power on the headphones and test audio and active noise cancellation to confirm proper seal and function. If sound is thin or muffled, make sure no fabric is tucked under the lip and that the foam ring isn't twisted. Reseat the pad and retest. If problems persist, check wiring continuity at the driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.